Welcome. Now we are going to start a new module which is basically analyze phase module. So basically till now from the DMAIC cycle we have discussed about the define in which we were trying to answer the question that is what is the benefit of doing this particular project in terms of financially as well as in terms of customer satisfaction point of view. How long would it take to complete the particular project? Okay, so in a main phase, we were trying to answer the question where we are standing right now. So that means what is our current process? What is the current sigma level? What is the capability level of our current processes? As well as we were trying to identifying certain root causes against the problem. Okay, so like such as we can use box and whisker plot, we can use the bar charts, we can use histogram in order to identify okay which factor is basically creating the lot of problem. Like if we are going to compare three machines using the box and whisker plot and we found that machine 3 is creating the problem, so that means the root cause is that is the machine, so we can investigate okay what's the problem behind it, right? So similarly, in an analyze phase, we are basically identifying the root causes as well as whatever the root causes we have identified against the particular problem in a major phase, we are trying to verify it in the analyze phase. Okay. So basically the analyze phase in order to answer the question regarding which factor are basically causing the problem. So we have the multiple techniques. So we can start from testing of hypothesis. So in a major phase, we have seen the descriptive statistics. So if you remember when we were talking about the descriptive statistics, we said we cannot make the final conclusion based on the descriptive statistics. We can only hypothesize the thing. Okay, if I am saying using the box and whisker plot, I found that machine C is creating the problem. So I have to apply testing of hypothesis, which is the inferential statistics, that is it confirmed that machine C is creating the problem. Okay, so we are confirming it, we are verifying it that this root cause is actually creating the problem or not. So this over here we are going to use testing of hypothesis. So this the choice of the sample size is very important, because when we are quantifying or you can say when we are making some conclusion about our population, so we are doing based on some sample data or sample statistic base. So that's why the choice of sample size is very important, which we will also discuss in this particular phase. Furthermore, we will discuss the root cause identification techniques such as scatter plot as well as the correlation, that is there any relationship between cause and effect, or might be there is any relationship between the two causes or the two response variable. So in order to identify the relationship or the strength of relationship between more specifically the linear strength between the two variable, we can apply scatter plot as well as the correlation. Furthermore, in order to identify or you can say quantify the cause and effect relationship, okay, we can use simple regression as well as a multiple regression. If we have only one independent variable, then we can apply the simple linear regression, whereas if we have the multiple linear regression, we can apply a multiple independent variable, we can apply multiple linear regression. Furthermore, we will see certain root cause and waste analysis techniques such as cause and effect diagram, which is also known as fishbone diagram, which can be used to identify the root causes. We will see different types of wastages: muda mean, waste, overburden, unevenness. Okay, similarly, we will see different types of mudas, what are those, and how we can observe what kind of waste is occurring on my production floor or in my particular process. So thank you so much. See you in the next video, in which we will start from our first topic, which is statistical inference, and more specifically testing of hypothesis, which we can use to confirm the root cause, which is basically causing the effect on our response variable.